Do you want to reply to a comment on your Instagram story? You can reply someone's comments in Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to reply to a comment on Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To reply to a comment on your Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now, you're on your Instagram profile page. To open your recent story, tap your profile picture at the top of the screen. Once you tap, navigate to the story from which you want to reply to a comment. Now, swipe up on the screen from the bottom to see the comments below your story. You will see all the comments and reactions to your story here. Make sure to tap this eye icon. To reply to someone's comment, tap reply next to the comment. Now, enter your response in the text input box. Once you've added your message, tap send on the right side. Now, your Instagram story comment reply will go to your direct messages, so the comments remain private.